What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Crypto here. In this video, we're taking a good look at Bitcoin. Now, we could say that we'll be getting numerous, should I say, fake outs on Bitcoin lately. Well, as we can see, like I kept on saying in my videos, that no matter how Bitcoin wants to pump, or no matter how bad Bitcoin wants to pump, we shouldn't forget that it's still vulnerable to news. Yes, that is what I always say in my videos. It's still vulnerable to the fundamentals and whatever that is definitely going to make it move, or vulnerable to news, the fundamentals, and also the technicals too. So now, if before we come into the analysis, we need to look at the fundamentals. Now, first things foremost, as you can see right here, we the tariff deal, it kind of got expired. So I think Trump is trying to renegotiate with some people, and it's maybe he's also trying to extend the tariff, the days at which the countries are going to give him feedback on whatever deal their or whatever tariff was proposed to them. So it seems like the US and so many countries have not finalized, they've not come to a conclusion to an equilibrium of a price, or they've not agreed on a particular price that will either benefit both countries. So, we are still having the back and forth. And also, apart from that, we also have the Israel and Iran war, which it has not actually come to an end. So, though we are not really getting news on that much, but that is also happening. But most importantly, right now is the war, the tariffs, and also Elon Musk parting ways from or parting ways with Dodge, and yeah, that's just basically it. And Elon Musk is practically focusing on government now, and as you can see, his Tesla stocks is currently down. I think it was kind of down 6% yesterday. So there is a whole lot happening at the same time for the market not to definitely crash. And the a whole lot that's happening, they are not good. They are kind of bad. And we should not also forget that Trump cannot make this tariff go south, because he wants Feds to cut rates, and because he wants the Feds to cut rates, he will definitely strategize this tariff. And because the more he's being reluctant or being hesitant about this tariff war and whatever deal he's planning to make with whatever country he wants to make right now, Jeremy Powell won't be forced to cut rates. Yes, he won't be forced to cut rates at all. So it should definitely keep on postponing our odd season when odd season, guys. So yeah, that is just it. Now, reading some of the news right here, we could see it's actually a lot. I think the last time I played a video was like 2 days ago. But if you look at it, Putin tells BRICS the liberal globalization model is becoming obsolete. Okay, Trump, I just signed a major disaster declaration for Kerr County. Has set zero chance of recession. The existing TikTok app will eventually shut down in the US. The information, okay? No, I don't really care about TikTok that much. Trump says disappointed with recent call with Putin. Okay, I think that should be between Russia and Ukraine. Trump, good chance we have a deal with Hamas during the week. So hopefully they will. What else again? Trump says he will probably visit Texas on Friday following deadly flood. Okay. Lutnick says tariffs go in effect on August 1st. Okay. It seems like This is for some countries. Trump says some deals have been made. Okay, Trump says it's ridiculous for Musk to start a third party, which is the American party. Trump says could send out 12 or 15 letters on tariffs on Monday. Wow. Trump saddened to watch Elon Musk go completely off the rail. Okay, I think I made a video on that. I think through I've forgotten the video. EU has made good progress in talks on an arrangement in principle with US. EU spokesperson says. EU spokesperson on our aim remains to find an agreement before 9th of July. Well, sorry to disappoint you guys. Time is not on our side. Trump sends letter to Japan 25% tariff. Trump sends letter to Korea 25% tariff. Korea and Japan tariffs effect August 1st. Okay, nice. Trump house 12 other countries to receive trade letters. So a whole lot happened. 30% tariff on South Africa, 40% tariff on Laos. Truth, which was on his Truth Social. White House official says tariffs won't stack. Trump on Tunisia president starting August 1st, 25% tariff. So as you can see, currently it's an update on this tariff, and with the look of things, no one actually knows how the market will definitely react. Yes, no one actually knows how the market will react when it comes to this tariff. When it finally takes effect, no one knows. So yeah, that is just it for now. Now back to where we are right now on the charts. So you see, I was trying to like catch up with the news that have been happening. Now we could see right here that Bitcoin is still stable, which is very, very good. It's still very much stable. You could see all the way from on the daily time frame, all the way from 105,279. We managed to break above 109,300. We broke above this resistance, but at the end of the day, you could see all we were getting were just fake outs. We came down to retest this support at 107,253. We bounced from that level, but we still couldn't break this resistance as 109,100, 273, I guess. So now we are heading back down to what was it called, 106,600, or worst case scenario, we could dump as low as meeting the daily EMA, which is the 200 EMA on the daily, which is definitely within the range of 104,900 or 105,000. So hopefully from here we could, recover. Who knows if this recovery will definitely be possible? We could recover, or if we don't recover from here, there's every chance that we could also, worst case scenario, dump really, really low. Yes, we definitely need to expect the worst as traders. Dump as low as testing 102,100 once more. So we definitely need to keep this in mind for Bitcoin. Now, if we move to the other chart, my other chart on Bitcoin, we could see right here that we've tested support, especially given the fact that we have a bull flag pattern right here. Yes, we definitely have a bull flag pattern, and this bull flag pattern is still very much valid. Okay, we've gotten two fake outs right here. So yeah, worst case scenario, if this support doesn't hold right here, if this support doesn't hold, there's every possibility that we could dump below that, retest 107 to 106, 107,200. We test and we could dump as low as 105,000 to 104,900. So we should definitely be expecting this to happen, because especially given the fact that even here on the daily, the 200 EMA is definitely at 104. It is the 200 EMA or the 100 EMA. The 100 EMA. If you see the green line, it is actually the 100 EMA. The 100 EMA on the daily is still at 104,700. So we definitely need to keep our mind open for this. Yes. So for now, I would say worst case scenario is 4,948. So yeah, that is just all I have to say, guys. And especially given the fact that if you look at gold right now, gold is definitely at a level of resistance. You will see we have not broken above 3,338. We haven't broken above that, but is there any possibility we're going to break above that? Yes, there's every possibility for gold to do that. Yes, I think I'm kind of getting this okay. Yes, I think this is how it's actually meant to be. So as you can see, we have kind of broken below this triangle pattern, but I think there's every possibility for us to still recover. Who knows? Because as you can see, we're still bouncing on the daily EMA, on the 100 EMA on the daily time frame. So there's every chance for gold to get a move. Though we've broken below this triangle, there's still every chance for gold to recover. Because if we are to ignore this pattern right here, there's still every chance for gold to recover above 3,341. Find support right there and rally much higher. Who knows? So yeah, we definitely need to keep our eyes on all this, because these are one of the factors that will determine if the market will be bullish. The S&P 500 have made all-time highs. I think Bitcoin and the crypto markets will definitely follow suit. Thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful week, and if you do enjoy this video, you subscribe, turn on post notification, smash that like button, and share this video with your friends, guys. Peace out.